up, because what I'm about to drop ain't fluff, it's real. Let's talk about something everyone wants, but only a few actually get. Fast money. But wait, don't twist it. I'm not talking about scams, shortcuts, or shady hustle. I'm talking about real, fast, ethical money. The kind that flips your life. The kind that turns dreams into digits. Want to know the truth? Fast money isn't luck. It's leverage. It's momentum. It's strategy. And it's obsession. Let's break this down. Part 1. Fast money starts in the mind. First things first. If your mindset is broke, your bank account is just a reflection. You ever seen someone go from 0 to 6 figures in a year? You think they're lucky? Nah. They changed how they thought, how they moved, how they reacted. Fast money comes to people who think fast, act faster, and adapt instantly. While others are overthinking, you're already building. While others are stuck in fear, you're launching, failing, learning, flipping, winning. Mental speed equals financial speed. That's rule number 1. Part 2. Opportunity doesn't knock, it's hacked. You want to make money fast? Stop waiting. Start creating. You can't sit back and pray for opportunity to come bless you. This ain't a movie. This is real life. And in real life, the ones who get rich fast are the ones who move quick on trends. Brain spot a gap. High voltage build a solution. Bomb launch messy. Direct hit fix on the fly. Repeat. You think the guy who launched the first drop shipping store had it all figured out? Nope. But he moved fast, tested faster, failed forward, and boom, 6 figures in 6 months. That's the game. Speed kills competition. Part 3. Skills pay the bills, but high-income skills change the game. Let's talk real for a second. You want fast money? Then drop the low-paying mindset. Stop doing $10 per hour tasks expecting $10,000 per month results. Fast money comes from high-income skills. I'm talking copywriting, sales, closing deals, personal branding, digital marketing, trading attention, coding AI, managing teams, flipping trends into cash flow. Learn one of these, master it. And you're already light years ahead of the average broke mindset. Let me tell you what school won't. Degrees don't make fast money. Skills do. Part 4. Fast money is a game of leverage. Let me hit you with the truth bomb. Poor people trade time. Rich people trade leverage. If you're still out here exchanging hours for dollars, you're playing checkers in a chess world. You want fast money? Then ask yourself every day, what can I automate? What can I delegate? What can I scale? What can I duplicate? Fast money is about building once and getting paid 100 times. That's courses, digital products, affiliate marketing, real estate, social media content, YouTube ad revenue, licensing, royalties. That's called leverage income. And that's the real flex. Part 5. Social media is the new real estate. Listen to me right now. Attention is the currency of the future. You don't need money to start. You need attention. And once you got attention, you can sell, promote, flip, or build anything. Start a TikTok. Build a YouTube. Post on Instagram. Write on X. Go live on Twitch. One viral video. One right collab. One smart affiliate offer. And boom. Fast money starts flowing in. You still sleeping on social media? You playing yourself? You got a phone in your hand. That's $1 million device if you use it right. Part 6. Speed without discipline is just chaos. Now hold up. Let me drop the warning. Fast money with no system equals fast broke. You ever see lottery winners go broke in 6 months? Yeah, because they had cash, but no mindset, no strategy, no self-control. So here's the code. Make money fast, but manage money like a monk. Have a plan. 30% reinvest. 20% stack cash. 20% network. 20% skills. 10% live your life. You gotta respect money, or it won't respect you back. Part 7, rinse. Repeat. Reload. Fast money ain't a one-time thing. It's a formula. And formulas can be repeated. You find a niche. You build fast. You test fast. You fail fast. You learn fast. You pivot fast. You scale fast. You don't do it once, you do it 10 times. You automate it. You turn it into a system. Then you walk away with cash flowing while you sleep. That's not luck. That's execution. Part 8. You gotta think like a hustler, move like a CEO. Every hustler wants to be rich. But only the ones who learn how to delegate, lead, and scale ever make it long-term. So yeah, grind in the beginning. Wear every hat. Do the work. Be the builder, the editor, the marketer. But as soon as the money starts flowing, start building a team. Start outsourcing. Start focusing on your genius zone. Because that's how fast money becomes big money. Part 9. Burn the excuses. Light the fire. Let me guess. You don't have money. You don't know where to start. You don't have time. You're scared of failing. You think you're too late. Nah. What you don't have is urgency. Because the guy who started a YouTube channel last month is already monetized. The girl who built a digital product last week already made $3,000. The kid who flipped NFTs while you were scrolling TikTok just made rent in 20 minutes. You either move now or regret later. And regret costs more than failure. Always. Part 10. Fast money is real. But so is the work. Let's be clear. Fast money ain't easy. It's just faster than the broken system you were sold. You gotta wake up early. You gotta learn fast. You gotta fail faster. You gotta adapt daily. You gotta hustle smart, not just hard. There's no overnight success. But there are overnight results for those who grind during the day. Final words. This is your era. You're living in the fastest money-making era in human history. You got AI, ChatGPT, Amazon, YouTube, crypto, Shopify, Instagram, digital courses, remote teams, PayPal, Stripe, Venmo. A million ways to monetize. And you're still broke? Still waiting? Still scared? Come on. Wake up. You've got everything in front of you. All that's missing is courage plus consistency. Fast money belongs to the bold, to the doers, to the builders, to the relentless. So stop dreaming. Start doing. The fast money formula. Recap. Let's burn this into your mind. Mindset first. Spot opportunity. Don't wait. Master high-income skills. Leverage labor. Use social media like a weapon. Discipline your dollars. Repeat what works. Scale like a boss. No excuses. Just action. Work fast. Work smart. Stay real. You want fast money? Then get fast with your decisions. Fast with your focus. Fast with your discipline. Be the kind of person who takes one idea and runs with it like their life depends on it. Because it does. Get up. Level up. Cash up. Let's go.